Smile through your heart is aching, smiling and true is breaking. When there are clouds in the sky, you get by. If you smile through your fear and sorrow, smile and maybe tomorrow shall see the sun can shine you through for you. Bright and purple spring, endless sky, and sadness seems fading. Maybe step and sunny time, you must keep on trying. Smile, what's the use of crying? You'll find that life is still worthwhile.